Shalom Aleichem, my Assyrian Dishes gardening friends. Check out our backyard transformation to this. We had a decent sized space, but we had a lot of work to do. We used an AI backyard generator to describe our vision, and guess what? It turned out to be pretty close to the picture, or even better. First things first, we hired a tiller from Home Depot to rip out all the weeds and rocks. It was a hard job, but someone had to do it. And this is the end result. After that, we shopped around for composite tiles and finally decided on the Costco ones. We also found artificial grass, edges, and weed barrier fabric at Costco also. We laid down the weed barrier and then we had the crushed rock delivered. We started shoveling it in to spread across and level it. We got more crushed rock delivered and we also got sand at the same time. Before we laid the sand, we hired a compactor from Home Depot to flatten the crushed rock. We started spreading the sand and leveling it. It was a long process, but we had to make sure it was done right. We used the compactor again to level the sand. After the ground was level, we laid the weed barrier fabric again for extra protection from weeds. Then we started connecting the composite tiles together and unrolled the grass in the sun so it could spread overnight. Overnight, we thought about it and decided to change the layout of the tiles because we didn't like the straight matchstick pattern. We changed the pattern and it looked much better. It looked like a chessboard. We started hammering the grass in place with galvanized nails. We cut the edges of the grass to look neat and placed extra pieces in the gaps. We added the edges all around. Finally, we placed the glue tape under the grass, placed the glass glue, and brushed it on the tape. We then sealed the grass pieces together. We then spread out some special silicone sand on top of the grass. This keeps it cool and helps it stay upright. We also hired a brush attachment to fluff up the grass and make it look nice and lush. Next, we bought a couple of bags of medium stone pebbles to put in the special walk areas for drainage. We then hammered the edges all around to make sure everything is nice and level. We then went back to Home Depot and picked up 3 cypress trees, 2 box shrubs, some ground soil and some mulch. We placed the trees where we wanted them and dug some holes, added some soil, watered them, and even sprinkled some organic fertilizer and worm casting for extra nutrients. We planted the trees and shrubs and added some mulch for drainage, and guess what? It looks absolutely amazing. I even placed all my barrel pots on the other side so I can plant my vegetables. We added our outdoor furniture too, and it's a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. I bought 3 planters from IKEA that looked really nice. I placed them just under the stairs and planted some flowers. We finally installed our solar lights and we planted our vegetables, and we're so happy with the outcome. We got quoted around $40,000 for this backyard, but we ended up spending around $5,000 all up just for materials. And the best part, we did all the work ourselves. What do you think? I'm so proud of our backyard and we can't wait to enjoy it this summer. Happy summer, everyone!